Richard here from Crypto One Method, bringing you another short video on candles and specific candle patterns, and basically explaining what they mean. So in a couple of my previous videos, I've talked through candles, what they are, which are these things here, the green and red. And they all represent and tell a story depending on what time length or time frame you're talking about. Right now, I'm looking at 15-minute candles. I'm on BCHABC coin, comparing it with Bitcoin in terms of Satoshi price value. Quite a good coin, about 5% over the last 24 hours. A lot of volume going through, which is good. As we know, these coins are just going up or down. So the candlestick pattern that I'm talking to you about right now is the Harami candlestick. That's how you pronounce it. People pronounce it different ways. Harami candlestick pattern, which is another possible bullish reversal trend. So we're looking at coins that are either having a few red candles and coming down, or maybe they're going sideways. As we know, when something is going sideways, well, it's either going to break up or break down. In terms of knowing or trying to see what the candle is going to do or what the coin is going to do ahead of time, we can look at these candle patterns. So on 15-minute candles, as you can see, it's just been coming up or down in a general downward trajectory, coming down, and then we have this point here. So the Harami candle, Harami, very Japanese. We're looking at this one right here. I'm just going to come right in as well. We've had a nice bit of consolidation coming over. This green candle has gone up and it's shot up only 0.5%. But the next candle, the opening price has started here. It's closed lower, but it's actually stayed within the previous green candle. So it's very much like the opposite of the bullish engulfing candle, which is a video, one of my last videos. The Harami candlestick, or the pattern, is where the first candle is green, the next candle is red, and the body, again, we're not too concerned with the shadow or the wick, depending on how you call it. The body of the candle is red, and it is completely inside of the previous green candle. And you don't want the opening or the close price to be the same as the previous candle. So we want a little bit of a gap with the body at the top and at the bottom of the candle before. So you can see with this is exactly what we have. It's not much of a gap, but you can see here with this green candle, okay, the opening price has started here and it's closed here, but there's a bit of a gap at the top, there's plenty at the bottom. This, again, is just a possible reversal signal, one that we use within our trading pattern. We use candle reversal signals to see when they're going to be going up. However, you do have the Bollinger Bands here that have narrowed. You do have the stochastic RSI. If you do want to know more about our proven safe way of trading and making money online, all you need to do is follow the link below to get your account set up, to get trading on Binance, and to get earning money. You can see after this this Harami candlestick here, it then shot up a good 2.5–3%. We're going for 1% in our course, so we use little methods and indicators like this to get a real feel for the coin and for the market. So again, follow the links below and we'll send you some more information. Get trading today.